Some of the smartest people in the world share their knowledge free of charge at the 10th KeyMap International Research Conference this year. About 400 presenters from around the world and 2,000 participants attended the conference, which was held at the KeyMap University from April 4th to April 6th. The general topic of the conference was Central Asia and the Global Community, Challenges and Opportunities. KIR brought together top scholars, business leaders, NGOs, journalists, policymakers to address that theme in workshops, seminars, panel discussions, and interactive debates. Representatives from Al Hilal Bank, Duke University, Cambridge University, Consulate of People's Republic of China in Kazakhstan, and many others spoke during the conference. There was something for everyone at KIR this year, says KIR Chair Ken Harvey. There are many experts in business and economics. Free training was provided in public relations by experienced local and international practitioners. Experts in agriculture, taxation, law, environmental issues, math, science, public administration, and international affairs attended and presented their workshops. To think that people can learn from such top experts without paying one tenge is amazing, Harvey says.